there people of YouTube, welcome to this vlog. This vlog's gonna be like Bonfire Night, like just like fireworks and stuff. I'm on my way to the fireworks in this clip. We're at the fireworks now. I'm just getting a poppy because, you know, gotta remember. So I'm getting a poppy. Coke. In this clip, I'm having a veggie burger and chips. That veggie burger wasn't that nice, honestly, but it was okay. Wasn't the worst thing, but yeah. And also, that pub thing was like so noisy. I was like, oh my god, I don't like this at all. And I felt so awkward trying to eat. And here's some clips of the fireworks. I didn't film all of it, obviously. I filmed a little bit, and I'll insert most of it. Obviously, I'm probably editing most of it out, but so yeah guys, that's the end of my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was probably shorter than last year's, but oh well. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this. If you celebrate Bonfire Night, it's a British thing. I don't know what parts of the UK celebrate. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, I don't know. But yeah, they've got Bonfire Night if you celebrate it, and I hope you stay safe as well, because it can be dangerous because of fireworks, of course. And if you don't celebrate it, I just hope you had a good day. And for Americans, probably Thanksgiving is coming up. I hope you have a good Thanksgiving. We don't celebrate that. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna go now. So yeah, hope you all have a nice day. Bye guys.
You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the deep saw hoodie, baby. You ain't seen a kid like this.